If Roblox is not launching on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple methods that can fix the problem. First, close all Roblox processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for Roblox or Roblox Player in the list of running processes. If you find any Roblox process, right-click it and select End Task. Once you've done that, close Task Manager. Next, clear the Roblox local cache. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %localaptita% and press Enter. Now, find the Roblox folder. Right-click the folder and select Delete. Don't worry, this will remove Roblox's local files and cache, not your Roblox account or progress. If Roblox is still not launching, try reinstalling it. First, search for Roblox in the Windows search bar and click Uninstall. After uninstalling, open Chrome and search for Roblox Download. Make sure you download Roblox from the official website, then install it and try launching Roblox again. Hopefully, this will fix the problem. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roblox fixes. Thanks for watching.